Hi, this is Mike, Formby Car Electrical. So today we're in a Mercedes SLK 171 chassis, and we fitted a Kenwood unit, used a nice flush fit fascia panel, steering wheel adapter so the controls on the wheel still work. This unit's got DAB radio, it's got your Bluetooth, USB, Android Auto and Apple Carplay. So we're on a CarPlay screen at the moment. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Satellite mapping for Google Maps. We've got Waze. That will tell us where the speed cameras are and police are, and best navigation on the market. Live traffic. We've got Siri. We've got internet radio. So we're listening to a station in Ibiza at the moment. We can use Siri to navigate, to do our text, voice, music. So navigate to Victoria Road.
Getting directions to Victoria Road, Liverpool. Starting route to Victoria Road. Proceed to Stevenson Way, then turn left.
There we go. Nice unit.